Hey guys, what's up? And today we're going to be showing you a few most richest Roblox players in the world. So as you can see, this person had so many past usernames. Let me tell you, that's right. And I just want to show you how expensive all his items are. This is I looked on this before, but it was so much. Let me just tell you. So yeah, and a lot of things he has on his avatar cost more than my own house, which is pretty insane. And this is the other most richest Roblox player ever. He has a Dominus. Listen to me, and let's just see how many people are selling it for. Oh my goodness, let's see more. Imagine if it reaches up to 1 billion. I think it will. Oh, just when we said I think it would reach up to 1 billion, there we go. Look how many more Robux I would need. I only have 52 just to give you some proof. I have a lot of Robux. You see it right there. I have a lot. Well, not too much of Robux, but just, I mean, people can pretty much live up to that age, but, or that number, but, anyways, I just want to show you guys, look how much I would need. Anyways, I'm going to, now I think that quite a few of these people are also really rich, so I'll just check out on this person to see if they're rich. And then I don't even know how much money that is, but let's go through some players. Let's see if okay, so as you can see right here, this person, I think that was his name, but right now we're going to look at his inventory and see what expensive stuff he has. Yeah, he has a Dominus, as you guys see. He has a dome. He got a dome. And he also has a wait, hold on. Okay, in play. How do you spell that hair? I'll just go into the catalogue to see how you spell it. Hold on. Because I'm not the best speller you'd see in the world. Now guys, it would mean the world to me if you could subscribe, because I'm running low. And now let's go on to high to low. Here it is. Tell them on her. Now let's see how many. He's selling it for so much. So let's go into this person's profile, because I don't see them wearing it right now. So let's just make sure that he doesn't have one. Now let's look at some other hairs that are insanely expensive, like this one. Right there. Or like that one right there that we saw, called the Telemon hair. So yeah, let's go there. Cool. Okay, so what? I did not expect that. By the way, guys, I'm just saying, who would pay that much? Just gonna put that out there. Who would? Okay, so let's search here. and see if someone called the Richest is actually rich. See if this person's rich, but they just act like a noob. Alright, here is that badge, so you get what you join. Badges, membership, blah blah blah. Membership. Okay, so now I just wanted to, I'm just going to do my avatar. So yeah, because I've had this avatar for a while now. This avatar right here. I should change it up. Okay, so I'll have, I'm in love with this hair, I just can't take it off. So now I'll go for, okay, what do I declare that's good? That's what I was making with the noises. But guys, guess what? You just won't believe it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go for this unicorn app. It's adorable. I just want to see what to start here. Some characters. I can see if I can copy it because I love to copy. It's like my deal. Wow, I have to get this on my avatar first. Just only 10 Robux, so that's a deal. I am taking that for God knows who. I am taking that for God knows who. I am taking that for God knows who. And then putting it on straight away. And then putting a smiling girl face. And putting on a stylish pose because I'm a stylish woman. Okay. Well, I'm not exactly a woman. So guys, if you want to keep up with my videos on the most requested video, keep watching my videos if you want to see the most requested video on my channel. I just need to get all the stylishes on because, you know, we gotta go stylish. We gotta take it stylish. Well, no, not stylish, bubbly. We gotta take it bubbly. Okay, that's my avatar. Okay, I like it a lot, and I'm never changing it. Okay, so, now, what's she playing? Okay, so, right now, I just wanted to show you that, so those are the richest people ever, and guess who else is rich? Next to me. Who says not? I know I'm just kind of private chat. Rude. I'll just type that to her right now. I just typed that to her in chat just now. And yeah. Okay, so. I just wanted to tell you that. Bye guys!